Now, certified the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
How you doing, everybody? The weekend is here, and that pattern change that we've been talking about for the past couple of days arrived on Friday. That's why we had the rains in the morning along the beach, and then everything moved inland in the afternoon. Same thing on Saturday and again on Sunday. Now, I don't think the entire area, and we had a good bit of rain on Friday, I don't think it's going to be quite as widespread on Saturday because a little piece of energy will continue to pull away, and in doing so, I think it's going to take maybe some of the widespread coverage out of the picture. But the timing is still the same. We've still got a wind out of the west tomorrow, southwest, which means we're still going to see showers develop in the morning along the beach, and they're going to push inland later on in the afternoon. I do think with this sort of a pattern, usually by late day, early evening, most of the metro and areas to the west remain dry until the next morning. So here's a look at the long range forecast. The GFS, at least through the middle of next week, keeping rainfall totals a little heavier on the east coast, which makes sense because what happens is the rains that come into our area get heavier as they move inland, and then they're at their peak when they're on the east coast. It's really pretty much the exact same thing we had the last 10 days, just a flip-flop, a 180. And then down the road, the models are hinting at who knows what, tropical, non-tropical. 14 days down the road, a lot can happen, and usually does. Here's a look at Florida's most accurate 7-day forecast. Coverage of the rain over the next few days will be at about 60%. It'll start earlier in the day along the coast. It'll move inland in the afternoon.